What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to a brand new video of Stock Talk, where we talk stocks and crypto. And in today's video, I know it's been a cool last minute since I made a video. It's because I've been busy with some boxing and shit, but now some negative things had happened in my life right now where I have all the time in the world, and I've just been making excuses on why I'm not making videos. So I decided today, fuck it, put the emotions to the side, and let's start getting back into these videos, and let's start being on top of our shit again on this market. So without further ado, we're gonna hop back into this Bitcoin price chart. There's been a lot of movement on the charts lately. Hella bearish. Things been hella bearish. Like all this dipping and stuff. I know I wanted to make a video, but I didn't. I was still, messing with the charts and stuff, but I wasn't recording it. You know what I'm saying? But what I did record, I'm pretty sure in a couple of my last videos of Bitcoin related videos, I did always keep saying that we had this price target of 14,500 that we've been having since last year in December. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I was making videos in December last year, and I was calling out a 14,500 Bitcoin, and it sounded pretty outrageous at the time, especially with Bitcoin being at like $50,000 or $40,000 at the time. Everyone was like, "Nigga, what?" So basically, that's what I'm waiting for it to completely hit. And then I even had this price target right here from this bear flag that was forming right here. I don't know if you guys are able to see it, but here was one bear flag. We had the straight downwardness, slight upward, which is the flag, and then we just straight farted all the way down here. And then what happened again? We had that same pull with a slight upwardness, another flag, and then another fart basically happened. This one wasn't as crispy as this drop and this drop, but it eventually ended up coming down to these really short levels. So now the question is, what's happening? First off, I would take a look at the RSI. I would understand that the RSI is a little bit low, but it still can turn around right here and come back down. So now that I acknowledge that, based off this RSI, there is more room for the upside than downside, but since the whole sentiment of the market is quite bearish, I'm not dumb and I'm not going to think that this can't turn back down. All right. So if I'm going to take a closer look at the candles that are forming right now, we're on the day chart. I'm actually going to go a little bit right here. Yeah, that's a little bit better. All right. What am I seeing right here? Well, I'm seeing a descending triangle. So I'm seeing a downwardness and then the triangle right here. It's sort of similar to a bear flag, but it's a little bit different, but it's essentially the same shit. So, um, I'm gonna draw it out for you guys, and we're gonna take measure targets right now. Another thing that I just seen was that we're on the 4 hourly, and then this blue cross printed right here, and we're back on bearish notes. So that's pretty crazy. I didn't know that. I usually stay on the day chart. I normally don't ever really change from the day chart. All right, so there we go with that. That's basically our triangle that we see right here. How am I gonna take a measure target? There's two ways you can do it. You can take a measurement from where it dropped all the way to like right here and grab that, put it towards the breakout zone, and that's even indicating to us an 11,000. And we can like proper it, put it a little bit more proper at the breakout zone right there. That's giving us about an 11.5. Or what a lot of other people I see people do is they get it from the top of the triangle, which is from here, all the way to the bottom of the triangle, which is right there. Grab that and put it to the same breakout zone, and it's giving us a 13,000, roughly 14,000, which is lining up with this previous one from this bear flag. So this major bear flag gave us this measure target, which was 14,000, and although it didn't get all the way to there, it eventually climbed all the way pretty close to these price targets, pretty close. But maybe this is the move right here. This formation that's forming right now is going to give us the completion of this, hitting this price target of the what is this again? 13, let's just say 13.5. That will give us our move to the 13.5. Or we might actually stop right at the 14,500 mark, which is also something that could be happening. But keep in mind, if that were to happen, if we go all the way down to 14,000, uh, that's damn near a 20% loss. Yeah, because we go down 2,000. Yeah, that'd be damn near 20%. It would be like 13%, 14, maybe 15, something like that. But for now, I'm gonna add a horizontal array. I'm gonna go back onto the daily, and then I'm gonna put this right about the 14.5, which was right about there. But I'm gonna drag it out to this right here, to right about there. And if we fix it, right there, it's basically giving us a 14,000. That's basically 14,000 flat. We can see right here, right about this area, you can see the buildup before the breakout, and then there was another buildup right here. Then we broke out again. Then there's a little bit more of a buildup, and then we just went for a complete run. So we know that there's some type of barrier here because there was a rejection here. It tried to come back up for it one more time, and then it got rejected again, and so and so. So this could be the ultimate last target. I'm gonna make it gold because that's the golden. That's gonna be the golden price to hit. I'm gonna make that shit thicker than your sister, just like that. And we're gonna make sure that that price target is known, which is 14,100. But for the simplicity, we're just gonna say 14K. 14K might be our price target. That might be the lowest we may hit. Of course, there's things that could be happening in like by the elites, doing the puppetry with the markets, the market makers. They might put out the most perfect story at the most perfect time to continue dumping the market right when it gets to that 14K. Or it could be something very positive at the perfect time, and then boom, pump the market right at the freaking support, which is puppetry or the market makers messing with the market's manipulation. So that's pretty much all I got with that Bitcoin price chart is the 14K. We've seen a descending triangle, and if we take a look at what a descending triangle is, we go down, we wiggle out a little bit, and then we completely go back down. So that's pretty much what we got right now going on this price chart. Let me go back onto the 4-hour chart and zoom back in. We got the 4 hourly, and that's exactly what we're seeing right here. Downward, wiggling, come down. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if this was too long. Sorry if I kind of over explained myself. I'm trying to get back into these videos. I'm going to be doing daily videos again, and I'm going to try to post multiple uploads a day. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you guys see anything that I'm not seeing, put it down in the comments below so I can try to find it in myself in my own charts and see how I feel, whether I resonate with your theories or not. And it's okay if we disagree. We can agree to disagree. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's your boy Leo. Peace.